Good morning, class first. So your half yearly syllabus of English first is completed now. So I hope you people will complete your work in a proper way. So today we will start English second, and for English second you have to make a separate copy, 4-line copy like English first. Both side 4-line copy. This type of copy you have to make. So take a new copy for English second. So I thought the chapter number 1, My Teddy, this rhyme you have already learned. So today we will do exercises from this chapter, and this chapter is My Teddy, and this chapter is all about naming words. And what are naming words? Naming words are names. All the names are called naming words. Names of girls, names of boys, names of things, names of places, names of animals. So every name is called naming words, or we can say noun. So for the girl, Tina, Ria, Noni, these all are naming words. Boys also Akash, Rahul, Raj. So these are naming words. Name of things like teddy bear, bed, frog. So these all are naming words. So in short, whatever the things which have name, all the things have a name, and all the names are called naming words or noun. So class first, open a new copy for English second, 4-line copy, and write today's date and lesson number and lesson name. Lesson name is My Teddy, and this all about naming words. What? Naming words. This chapter is about naming words. So draw a teddy, and in the teddy we will write what are naming words. So write the definition. Names of all men, women, things, animals, and places are naming words. Naming words. Now do this exercise in copy. Look at the pictures and write their names. So some hints are given here. I will draw picture. You two will draw the pictures and you will write names. So this first one is, what is this? Teddy. Teddy. The second one is dress. Dress. This is eyes. These are eyes, and this one is bed. And these all are naming words because these all are having a name. This exercise I am doing from page number 6 from English second copy, from English second book. So the next exercise you will do in a book. Write the names of 5 things you have in your bag. So the things which you have in your bag, they are also having a name. So that these names are also called naming words. So book, which thing you have in a bag? Book. 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 This you will do yourself. Book, pencil, eraser, copy, sharpener, water bottle, tiffin box. So many things you keep in your bag, and they all are having a name, and these names are also called naming words. So name of the things, anything is called naming words. This pencil is a naming word. This sketch color is a naming word. This book, this is a book, this is also having a naming word. Next, name of animals. Name of animals are also called naming words. This is a cat, goat, elephant, rat, lion, tiger. Many animals are there, many birds are there, sparrow, parrot, crow. So all are naming words. So here you have to match this with their favorite food. So cat like to eat leaves, sugar cane or rat. Cat like to eat rat. Take a crayon's color and you have to match it with your crayon color. Next is goat. Goat like to eat leaves. Elephant like to eat sugar cane. The next is, here you have to write like this, dogs likes bones. So you will write cat likes, what likes? Rat. Cat likes rat. The next is goat likes what? Leaves. Next is elephant likes sugar cane. So this you can do easily. So these two exercises you have to do in your book. So look at the page number 8. So here some pictures are given. So these all are naming words. These all are naming words, and this exercise we will do in our copy. So firstly we will draw the pictures, not all the pictures, some pictures I am going to draw and some you have to do in your book only. So draw the pictures and write their naming words. So write here naming words, write naming words. So draw some pictures and the naming word of this is a boy. You can write any name of a boy. This is a fan. Name of thing, name of thing, fan, F-A-N. This is a jug, J-U-G. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. This is a name of thing. Name of thing again, pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Table, T-A-B-E-L, table. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. These all are naming words. Okay. So whatever the pictures you are drawing here, all you have to color also. So the next exercise from page number 9, this is the help box. From the help box you have to fill this. Okay, first is crow, bag, book. This one is school, and this one is crow, and this is grass. So from the help box you have to fill this yourself in your book. And the next is copy the following sentence. Same sentence you have to write here. So students, complete your chapter number 1 in English second copy. You have to make a separate copy for English second. Thank you everyone.